Oxford Business Group has now launched the Report Ghana 2024. This 10th edition of the group's annual Business Intelligence Report highlights Ghana's strides in fiscal consolidation and structural reforms, evaluating the nation's path towards balancing expenditure and debt management. In particular, the Report Ghana 2024 examines the impact of the IMF programme and strategic reforms aimed at widening the tax net, boosting revenue mobilisation, and restoring macroeconomic stability. It also underscores Ghana's pivotal position in international and regional trade relations in light of emerging investment opportunities spurred by the African Continental Free Trade Agreement. The newly launched report also tracks important developments in key sectors such as the extractive industries, given that the mining sector is primed for substantial growth on the back of new mining ventures and commercially viable finds in lithium and salt. Moreover, the report covers the sector's increasing emphasis on environmental, social, and governance factors, as Ghana regained its position as the continent's leading gold producer. While acknowledging Ghana's robust potential for growth, the report also delineates potential challenges. These include financial sector stress, following the domestic debt exchange program, contingent liabilities in critical sectors, and the upcoming 2024 election, necessitating a cautious approach to policy decisions. High on the policy agenda is accelerating infrastructure development amid broader efforts to tackle socio-economic challenges, with transport, energy and housing projects among those set to be prioritised. Although inflation and public debt remain challenges for Ghana, the country expects to benefit from its young population, stable political environment, and membership of the African Continental Free Trade Area, which provides a framework of entry for foreign and domestic investors to the country's various economic sectors. Against this promising backdrop, Ghana's GDP growth is expected to grow, albeit more moderately in 2024 and 2025, while at the same time inflation is projected to slow, providing a favourable environment for the nation's goal of becoming a leading regional centre for trade and financial services. As Africa's second largest producer of cocoa and the largest domestic labour employer, Ghana's agriculture sector is accorded critical attention in the report, with an analysis of how modern farming techniques are expected to play a key role in the sector's development. With agriculture projected to grow at a compound annual growth rate of 2.7% through to 2028, there is potential to diversify beyond cocoa, to increase exports of shea butter, cashew nuts, fruits, and vegetables, as well as livestock. Read the report Ghana 2024 for insights into these topics and more from our on-the-ground experts, as well as insights from key government figures and leaders of public and private sector companies.